Hello again. In the last lecture we have seen how to capture the HTTP traffic. In this lecture I'd like to show you how to capture the HTTPS traffic. So we will use again the BetterCap tool. So just we need to write BetterCap in the command line. Then it will show us the IP of our Kali machine. Then we'll start with help to see the modules. To start capturing the HTTPS traffic, you need to use many modules. So let's start with ARP spoof here. So under this, last time we have used this, and this time we are going to use this as well, and this for targets. So let's enable them. Set. And we'll use true. Then the same for this. Set the same true. Then our target, let's say, is my PC or the Windows 10 PC. So let's say the Windows 10 here, IP config, it's 8103. Let's take another target, let's say this Windows 7 machine. IP config again, and 8102. Okay, then we will run this module. As we said last time, ARP spoof command or module, it will make us the man in the middle just to start capturing all the traffic going between the end user and the router. So after we enable this, let's go back to the modules. So this is running now. Then the next one, the cablets. So if we use, so to show the cablets, just we need to write cablets.show. So for this we are going to use this HTTPS hijack. So to use it, just we need to write it as is, HTTPS, just press tab and it will write. Okay, then we'll go back again to help. The next one, it's HTTPS proxy. So let's go inside it. help HTTPS proxy, enter. For inside this, we need to enable this parameter before enabling this module. This is the one, SSL strip. So we need to set it to true. True. Then we'll enable this module. Then we'll go back to the modules to double check. Yes, it's running. After that, we'll use net.sniff to start sniffing the traffic. Not.sniff. Enter. Sorry, I forgot on. Okay. So now if I went to my PC and let's say I was using Disney, then I just refresh the page. See, it was here using HTTPS. Then if I enable it, this cablet and this command which we have run in the BetterCap, it will just downgrade the HTTPS protocol to HTTP for us to be able to capture the traffic. but always this will take some time to respond. So these days most of the browsers, Chrome and Firefox, are patching their web browsers, so it will be difficult to sniff the HTTPS. By the way, there is 3 types of protocols for browsing the internet. We have the HTTP, which already we have sniffed its traffic because it's easy and just it's moving in the network without any encryption. The second one is the HTTPS, and the third one is HSTS, which most of the social media websites are using, like Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram and Twitter. So for that it's very difficult to sniff the data, because even if you try to downgrade the HTTPS to HTTP or the HSTS protocol to HTTP, those browsers will force this website to run in HTTPS, so it will be just encrypted. So let's try another website. So some browsers, it will do just like that to prevent you to reach it. And if you notice that if you go back, let's say we'll go to Google again and search for any other website. Let's say we'll go to Zoo, any website using HTTPS. So let's say this one. So when we are trying to access this website, here it's telling attackers might be trying to steal your information. So if the user still want to go and press proceed, if you go back to Kali Linux, you can notice that BetterCap is trying to spoof. This is the certificate, just to let the website feel this certificate is genuine. See here, and it's telling couldn't fetch the TLS certificate from this website. So it's not easy to capture HTTPS traffic or HSTS traffic, but for that, after gaining the access to the user PC, I'll show you another way to capture the key strokes and run a keylogger sniffer. So let's try the same on Windows 10. Let's try this time with Mozilla Firefox, and you can see that it's difficult. So let's try Disney as well. See here again, it's telling Google has a security policy called HTTP Strict Transport Security, HSTS, which it will not allow you to go and bypass it. Okay, for this, to bypass this issue, you have 2 ways: either to gain the access to the user PC and run a keylogger sniffer, or to use a tool called SSL strip, but that's an advanced way. And in the lecture of gaining the access to the target PC, I'm gonna show you how to run a keylogger sniffer to capture every key the user press, whether in HSTS or any other protocol.